Kamusta na ba si Kobe Paras? Anong balita daw? Sabi ni Charles
Yun!
Mugen.
Oh my God, na-interview. I had a history with Kobe Paras. Na-interview ko siya when he was here in playing for, I think it was the Dallas Mavericks. Nasa siya Summer League. The interview was arranged by the NBA. Because back then I worked for the NBA as the NBA US editor of NBA.com Philippines. Na-interview ko si Kobe. Nagalit sa akin pa?
Si Kobe?
Yeah.
Ha? Bakit? Ano ba? Baka may tinanong ka namang kakaiba.
Wala. Sabi ko lang na, Kobe, if this NBA thing doesn't work, what's the plan B? Nagalit siya pa kasi parang negative kasi daw na question. Why am I thinking it won't work? But to me, it was a legitimate question.
Yeah. Can you kind of give us a picture? What happened? I mean, how did he say it? Why did you interpret na nagalit siya?
Well, okay. Let me rephrase this. Kobe is a good guy. Hindi naman siya nagalit na nagalit. Yung agent niya, kasi ang agent niya at that time, nasa telepono din. Nag-three-way call kami. Why would you ask questions like that? Sabi, ma'am, not all players that want to go to the NBA actually made it to the NBA. So I just want to make sure, what's the plan B? Is it Japan or you want to go Korea? You want to go PBA? Ganun lang. Diba? Kobe did not get mad at me. Sabi lang niya, I think this would work out. Yung agent pala, hindi si Kobe. Yung si Kobe. Yung agent, babae.